The ESD vinyl flooring tile industry is evolving alongside broader technological and sustainability trends, influencing product development, installation practices, and customer expectations. Let's explore the key industry trends shaping the future of ESD PVC flooring. 1. Enhanced durability and scratch resistance. Trend. With a focus on longer-lasting materials, the flooring industry is responding to concerns about durability, especially in high-traffic or industrial areas. Impact on anti-static vinyl flooring. Advances in scratch-resistant technology are leading to ESD PVC flooring tiles that require less frequent maintenance, like waxing. 2. Advances in anti-static technology. Trend. Continuous development in anti-static and conductive technologies is enabling more effective and reliable static control solutions. Impact on ESD control flooring. New formulations in conductive additives and layers within ESD vinyl tiles are increasing conductivity, stability, and efficiency. Enhanced conductivity also allows for wider application in industries previously reliant on ESD epoxy or other anti-static materials. 3. Customization and design versatility. Trend. Growing demand for customization options in both commercial and industrial spaces is prompting manufacturers to offer more variety in colors, patterns, and textures. Impact on ESD static control flooring. ESD flooring no longer has to compromise on design. Custom patterns, colors, and textures are becoming more available. 4. Health and safety regulations. Trend. Increasing regulatory emphasis on health and safety standards is influencing material and product selection. Impact on ESD PVC flooring. ESD VCT flooring is evolving to meet strict safety and health standards, like improved slip resistance and antimicrobial features. In healthcare and cleanrooms where hygiene is crucial, ESD flooring tiles with antimicrobial and easy-to-clean surfaces are becoming more popular.